Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20, I think, or 21, one of the two. So Rachel went out of here in a hurry. She had some place to go. So I saw her camera sitting on the floor and I was like, hey, this is my opportunity. Not that I'm super exciting or anything, I'm not, but I figured I'd give her some footage, surprise her a little. Currently, I am straightening the room because I let it get messy. So I'm making my bed, and I'll show you that. Not anything too exciting. And yes, we've had these pillow these covers since I can't remember when we got our mattresses, which was years and years ago. I mean, Rachel's got a new mattress, but my mattress is probably the oldest one in the house. Now we take my pile of decorative pillows and we put them on. And then I sleep with way too many blankets because I like things being heavy, like laying down. Ooh, I got these postcards. They're antique or vintage. So this is Everglades. It's like a whole series. It's a swamp. I think that's an egret or something. Oh, ibis, white ibis. Brown pelican. This is a raccoon, obviously. Like, why do they put that in an Everglades magazine? And then this is the prettiest one. This is kind of what I bought it for. It's sunset. And then I'm gonna send them out to people just because it's fun. Oh, and I got this yesterday. I went to St. Charles, which is hedgehog cards. They're so cute. And on the envelope, like, they have a hedgehog on the back of the envelope. So they're adorable. So here I got a towel from where I work for a little Christmas present. It says deck the halls. It's cute. And then I got two little, like, so these are like chocolate goobers and these are sweet fire, so it's a trail mix. I'm not a huge fan of spicy things, so we'll see if it tastes good. And then I got the most amazing smelling candle in the world. It's fresh cut lilacs from White Barn. Oh, this is a onesie in case y'all wanted to know. Nat King Cole, Bing Crosby, and Frank Sinatra are the golden trio. This is the Penny. She's a cute Penny. These are my gym clothes, so I definitely need to put these in the laundry. My working out regimen abruptly quit. I always use the kind of hair ties without the, like, they got a ridge in them. Because the ones that have, like, the little metal thing are just about the worst creation ever. And they're annoying. And I get the extra thick ones because I have a lot of hair. And now I look like a boy! If you guys will look, like, I have boxes and then, like, this little pile of junk. That needs to go away, so. These are leggings that are terrible. For those of you who, like, grew up in the 2000s, there was, like, this one era of dresses that were this, like, velvet stuff, and every time you sat down you had a nice little butt print of the velvet that you wore. These are the exact same way, and I'm sorry, they don't work under a skirt because they're so grippy. They're warm, but they're grippy, and I'm not gonna wear something that gives me a butt print every time I sit down. It looks awful. Oh, check it out. Super cool lights. I got these at Marshall's, I want to say. But, like, they're so round and perfect. And I want to bite them. Which is strange. But they smell like whenever you bend a credit card a million times. That's what they smell like. And here's our living room where the dog toys have literally thrown up everywhere. We put them, mind you, we put them in this box here. But Penny comes and takes them all out. So I don't know what this is. They appear to be flowers that Rachel brought home from work. She works at a wedding venue. And they're disgusting and they're gonna rot in the bag because there's too much humidity in there and it's not open. So I'm gonna try and put them in a bowl. Greetings. Ooh, I like these. They're like cattails. So there's that. So I haven't had breakfast yet at 10:25, which is pretty sad, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick breakfast. So I'm gonna have an orange. I'm gonna have a bagel. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do a bagel with cream cheese. I thought I was gonna eat yogurt, but the yogurt that we have is all sugary, and I don't do well with sugar. Not a ton of sugar. The orange. So our poor toaster is a sad thing. The other day the handle flew off of it, so it's on its last leg. At least one side of it is. So in case you're wondering what I'm taking, it's biotin for my hair because my hair is very, very fine, so it splits a lot. And it's a probiotic. I started taking it because at school the food was so horrible that I would have indigestion literally after every meal.
Very pretty bowl.
Ah, yeah, I threw out the little ones. I think they were in a cake because there was like cake on them.
So, once again, the counter is going to be cleared off of all things. And we'll see how long it lasts. Probably less than a day. What do you see? Less than a day?
This counter? Yes.
Less than 24 hours, this counter will be filthy again.
What is a peach Bavarian? That sounds good. What did you do to the bacon? Did you drop it upside down?
Yes, I did. I'm trying to clean off the counter, and that's what I'm doing. Look at that.
Mom gets in these wild cleaning moods where she cleans everything all at once. Oh, I forgot to pray. And now they went right back in. I went to a tea shop, or like a British shop, and they have tea. And tea is my weakness. I love tea. Too much. But I got some tea. I probably got robbed for it. It was like 38 cents a bag. Is that highway robbery? So, of course, immunity because of our friend Verona. White peony. Wow, that's not his name. White peony, which I think is black tea. Spearmint orange spice. This is black tea, but it's called Darjeeling. I'm probably butchering it with my lovely American accent, so. This is berry essence.
And this has not been washed out, has it?
Yes, yes. Good. Then we have coconut vanilla.
That sounds good.
Mom's excited for that one. Lemon ginger. Mom thinks I'm not gonna like this one. It's called orange peyote. I don't like carbonated things. They burn your nose. It's like, blah. Same with soda. This one is Angel Falls Mist, strawberry and lemon. This one is Yorkshire Gold, which is black tea. It says it's best served with milk. Actually, the best way to do it is heavy whipping cream. Oh, so good. So those are teas I'm gonna try. Her battery's almost dead. Bye.